What's their name? It's time to share. Who are we about to meet? It's the Patriot of the Week.
Kit Carson was an American frontiersman and legend of the American West. At the age of 16, Carson left his Missouri home to become a mountain man and trapper. He operated in the Rocky Mountains and eventually lived among and married into the Arapaho and Cheyenne Indian tribes. Carson later joined up with John C. Fremont and took part in the conquest of California in the Mexican-American War. During the Civil War, Carson led a regiment of volunteers from New Mexico to fight for the Union cause, and then he turned against the Indian tribes of the Southwest. After his death in 1868, Carson became a legend of the frontier, and his legacy has lived on in American folklore.